Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 2 Module 3 Topic D. So let's get started. Okay, this is lesson 14, explanation part. So circle AM or PM for each picture. Alright, number 1. So 2:30 AM or PM. So AM would be 2:30 in the morning, and PM would be 2:30 in the afternoon. So here in this picture, we see some kids playing on the swings at the park. So there will not be kids playing at 2:30 a.m. Out at the park. So this will be PM since it's 2:30 in the afternoon. And now 7 o'clock, it's AM or PM. That'll be AM since we see little kids lining up for the school bus. And when they would go to school in the morning, so it'd be 7 a.m. instead of 7 p.m. Nice. Okay. So this is lesson 14. Circle AM or PM for each picture. So we have 7:30. Alright, so we're here. One thing we see the sun is out. And the kid is just waking up. So this would be 7:30 a.m. Because PM, the sun would be going down. Now 3:30 a.m. would be in the morning, and then PM would be 3:30 in the afternoon. This would be in the afternoon since there would not be kids out at 3:30 a.m. I wouldn't be asleep. Alright, 6 o'clock a.m. or PM. Here looks like they're having dinner, which would be in the evening, which is PM. And 11 o'clock a.m. or PM, this would be a.m. since it would be 11 in the morning instead of at night, which would be pitch black. Alright, now this is lesson 15, explanation part. Circle a unit of time to measure each task. So to sleep at night, you'll not say how many seconds you sleep. Like, you'll not say I slept for a blank amount of seconds. You also won't say I slept for a blank amount of minutes. You usually typically say how many hours you get. So hours is how I usually measure sleep. Number 2, take a sip of water. So that'd be seconds. So you will not be taking sips for minutes or hours. So seconds would be realistic. Alright, and now draw a picture for each unit of time, then write a sentence. So what task takes about 1 minute? So I drew a picture of tying my shoes, takes about 1 minute. Alright, and number 4, use a number line to subtract. So 52 minus 6, so they did minus 2 to get to 50, and then minus 4 more to get to 46. Alright, so this is lesson 15. Circle the time of the unit of time you use to measure each task. So to eat your lunch, that would most likely be minutes since you do not count by seconds and you do not count by hours of eating lunch. Number 2, going down the slide would be seconds because you do not take like 5 minutes going down a single slide or hours. Alright, now draw a picture for each unit of time, then write a sentence. So what task takes about an hour? Let's see what task takes. You could say like eating your dinner. Maybe if you're like a slow eater. And put like you have food here on the table. Let's see, it's like a burger. So you say eating my dinner takes about 1 hour. Honestly depends if you're a slow or fast eater. Alright. And number 4, use the number line to subtract. So we have 65 minus 8. So 65 be right here. And first we're going to minus 5 to get to our benchmark number, which is 60. And then from now I have to minus 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. 60, 59, 58, 57. So our answer is 57. Alright, now we have lesson 16, explanation part. So write the time. Here we see the hour hand is past 6, and it's between 6 and 7, so it would be 6. And the minute hand is at 3, so it's 5, 10, 15, so it's 6:15. And number 2, our hour hand is past 6, and then it's pointing at the 9, which means 45, because each number represents 5 more. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it's 6:45. And I'll draw the missing hand on each clock to show the time. So 7:45, there's a quarter left till 8, so you draw at 9. 1:30, that'd be 1:30. 5:15, that'd be 5:15. Alright, lesson 16, write the time. So here this is past 11, so it's 11, and it's pointing at the 3, so it's 11:15. Here's 8:45, 4:30. Now draw the missing hand on each clock to show the time. Number 4, 1:45, so it's going to point at the 9 since there's a quarter left until 2. 10:30, so that'd be 10:30, point at the 6. 5:15, so that'd be pointing at the 15. Alright, lesson 17, explanation part. Number 1, write the time. So here we have hour hands pointing at 7, minute hands pointing at the 1, so that means 7:05. Here it's 7 and then pointing at the 8, 7:40. Alright, now plot each time on the number line. So we have 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So then let's plot 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way to 7. Alright, I had to show how you know. Number 2, 72 plus 59. They added 60 because 59 is close to 60. And after they got their answer, they just subtracted 1 more to get 131. Okay, number 1, write the time. Alright, so our hour hand is between the 2 and 3, so it's 2. And our minute hand's at 7, so 7 times 5 is 35, 2:35. Here our hour hand is between 2 and 3, so it's 2 o'clock. And then pointing at the 10 times 5, so it's 2:50. Now plot each time on the number line. Okay. So we have 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, since those are the distances with those times. So 2:35 would be right here, and then 2:50 would be right here. Okay. Alright, next page. Lesson 18, explanation part. Write the time, you're just reading the clock. So it's between 2 and 3, so it's 2, and then 8 times 5 is 40. Now draw hands on the clock to match the time. 5:25, it begins between 5, and then 5 times 5 is 25. 12:40, the hour hand will be in between 12 and 1, and then 12:50. I write the time, number 1. Okay, so it's 1:10. And here it's pointing between 9 and 10. The minute hand is 7, so it's 9. 7 times 5 is 35. Draw hands on the clock to match the time. 8:15, so it's 8. And then 15 right here. So you have to make it obvious which one's the hour hand, which one's the minute hand. Now 3:40, 3, and then 40. Alright, lesson 19, explanation part. Number 1, Kevin starts to clean his room at 2:15 p.m. Stops cleaning at 2:45. How long does Kevin clean his room? So from 15 to 45, there's 30 minutes difference. So that means Kevin cleans his room for 30 minutes. Okay. Number 2, circle the cubes. So these two are cubes, and a cube has 12 edges, and then it has 6 faces and 8 vertices. Okay. Alright, number 1. Alex starts to play basketball at 10:10 a.m. He stops playing at 10:50. How long does Alex play basketball? So from 10:10 to 10:50, let's see, there's 10, 20, 30, 40. So there's 40 minutes. That means Alex plays basketball for 40 minutes. Okay. And then number 2, circle the cubes. Okay, so this would be a cube. This would be a cube. These two are not, because these are rectangular prisms. So the cube has 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. Okay. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!